You are going to love the 2024 Ford Maverick. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, tinted glass, compass. The Ford Maverick is a compact pickup that blends versatility and efficiency. Inside, it packs modern comfort and connectivity that makes the truck useful for everything from errands to weekend projects. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.